Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got a 2019 Kia Optima LX trim package we're getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to share this with you. We'll walk around it real quick, then we'll hop on the inside, see what it's got to offer. Very attractive car. Does have black cloth interior. Does have a backup camera on the back, and the camera is right there. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay, here we go. Got the trunk open. You can see quite a bit of space back here, nice and clean. So let's go ahead and continue walking around. Okay, go over here on the driver's side. And couple things about your side mirrors: they do have the turn signals, and it does have lane detection. I hope you can see the little emblem right there, but that way when you have a car coming up past you, those will light up on both mirrors depending upon which side, and letting you know you have someone beside of you. Okay, we'll go on. We'll take a look at the back, show you the headliner. Your door panels are black. Let's go ahead and look up front. Okay, here's a view from the front. We'll go ahead and hop in here just a moment. You see the large LCD display unit, controls on your steering wheel, your controls on your door panel. You've got a few controls right here to the left of your wheel. So let's go ahead and hop in. Okay guys, inside the car, I've got it started running, and you can see the LCD display is up and running. So let's get in here and show you the instrument cluster. The mileage as of now is 68,111 miles. The car does have Bluetooth connectivity. It will connect to your smartphone. Your controls are right here, volume up and down, and you can also make and receive hand-free calls from your phone. Over here on the right, you've got cruise control and additional settings up on your instrument cluster. Come over here, you'll see I'm actually going to drop this down in reverse, and there's the backup camera engaging. Put it back up in drive. Goes back to your stereo system. Stereo system controls right here. Climate control. And go over here, you've got that opens up. You've got some plug-ins here, 12-volt auxiliary USB for all your electronic devices. And come over here, you got a couple cup holders and storage compartment here. So show you the seat on the passenger side, and right there you can see the armrest does fold down, and there's a lot of leg room back here. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2019 Kia Optima LE trim package. 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. If you got any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. We've got a lot of financing options available. So have a great day.